This exercise had 10 tasks, 1 to 10. Each task has a whole number. For task 1, this is the whole number. For task 2, this is the whole number. For task 3, this is the whole number, and like that. And each task required that you write in here this whole number in words. So for example, this is 1, 2, 3. This is 100, 123. 123 or 123. For task 2, the number is 789. So here then you'd write it in full. 789 and 89. Like that. 89. That's what you needed to do for all these other tasks. Then on this side, you need to write the Roman numeral that represents this particular number. So for example, what is the Roman numeral? So for example, task 1. Task 1 would be written as C X X I C X X I. Is that what you wrote? Is that what you found? How did you find it? Of course, I may not be able to hear you, but let me show you how I did it from this particular end so that we can compare your answer and my answer. So this number 123 is made up of 100. So let me write it here. 1, 2, 3. There is 100 here, and then there is 23. 100 is represented by C. When we look at this one, we can break it down to a 10, another 10, and 3. So 10, we know it is represented by X, so X. And this one, I. And so when you write down from the top to the bottom, it will be C, that one, then X, then these, I. And that is why this is the solution right over here. How about 789? 789. 789 is written as D C C L X X X I X. D C C L X X X I X. Is that what you found? Is that what you wrote? Let's compare. So the number is 789. The closest base Roman numeral here is 500. And 500 is represented by D. But 500 is not 700. The number is 789. The closest Roman numeral base, the closest base Roman numeral to 700 is 500. And 500 is represented by what? By D. 500 is represented by D. So what remains when we've taken away 500 from 789? It means that we have got 289. This 200, we can break it down to 100 and another 100. So this is going to be C and another C. What remains is 89. 89, we are going to get 50. 50 is represented by L. Then when we take away this 50 from there, it means that we have 39 remaining there. 39 really is going to be 10, 10 plus 10 to give us 30. So that's going to be X, X, X. Then we have 9 remaining. And 9 is written as X with I on the left side. So when we put all these letters together, we are going to get D. Then there's going to be C, C, which is this C, C. Then there's L, which is this L. Then there's X, 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 this X, X, X. And then there is IX. And that's how we have IX. Is that what you found? Is that what you wrote? So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to quickly write down what is supposed to be written under each one of these, representing these numbers, and then we can focus on this side for the Roman numerals. How's that? High five.